Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable dark mode for apps on your Windows 10 laptop, desktop, or tablet computer. So if you want to enable dark mode for apps, but maybe you want to have light mode for Windows itself, or some combination or mix of the two, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to do that. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and type in settings. Best result should come back with settings here. Go ahead and open that up. And then you want to select the personalization tile. And now that we're on this page, select colors on the left panel. And where it says choose your color over on the right, you can select custom and you can have a different Windows mode versus app mode. So if you want to have dark mode for apps, you can select dark while having a default light mode for Windows, for example, or vice versa. Or they both can be dark just by selecting the dark option at the top, or they both can be light. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.